Today we're going to do some minor gutter repairs, so let's get started. So here's the seams in this gutter. It's not really too bad. It's definitely blobbed all over, but I'm just going to clean it out and try to clean up these seams. Maybe just repoint them, but mostly just clean it out. All these nails. Screw. I'm going to use this to clean out the existing sealant. Look at that. Jeez. So I've got a little bit left in the corner. I've taken most of this out, and it's taken me about, felt like a half an hour. Here's a pile of all the existing sealant that I took out. Gotta move on to this corner. It's taking forever. It's gonna take like an hour each side. Jeez. Comes out like little tiny pieces like this. So all this sealant came out of these corners. It's just two corners and a couple of seams. Wow. We'll get it cleaned up and then we'll seal it back up. Alright, so I got this wet rag. I'm gonna wipe everything down. I'm gonna use this quad gutter sealant. So you can kind of see it because I use this clear OSI gutter sealant. It's really hard to see, but I've got it all sealed up. Take my word for it. So now that I got all this wrapped up, I'll move to the other side. There we go, there you can see the debris. Look at all the granules from the shingles. I gotta clean all that out first. More nails. Oh, ow. Now that we got it all cleaned out, we'll start ripping all the sealant out. Big old chunk. This sealant did come off a little bit easier, so it might have actually been leaking. It's just so hard to say when it's all blobbed on so much. Okay, well, I got this minor little gutter problem dealt with. I ripped out all the sealant that was existing and put in all new sealant after I cleaned it up. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.